going on?
Something is wrong with you. Would you shut up?
This is unlike you.
Shut up! You see the way Otas is talking to me because of his feet. What is it? What is it?
Father, I saw this big man, a giant.
Giant.
It's the combination of my three brothers. Father, giant. Mother, why are you so mean? Come here, come on. Mother, what is this?
He's dead. Otta! Wake up!
Always remember this. I'm here. Always remember this. Don't judge a book by its cover.
I am not the cause of the family predicament. Is that what you are saying?
All this is not what I'm talking about, but enough is enough. I just want the success of this family, as my child has said.
This family wants to be free from this predicament. Then, a mother must confess.
Confess?
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Family will settle us in this matter.